demonstration. The Toledo City Master of Karate. Black belt there, version 45. Op! Nag-push up gamit yung likod. Isa pa. Give me 10 sets. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Defying the gravity of the earth. Si Manong nagpo-push up gamit yung likod. Come on. Give me set. 1. Op! Back dive. Op! Back spring. Op! Stretching. Stretching pa more. Oh, come on. Okay. Tatayo. Tatayo po kami. Taking some hard breaths. Deep air. Kumukuha ng buwelo. Kumukuha ng buwelo si Manong. Op, ito na. Op. Tinatansya, tinatansya. Op, op. Karat, op. Nakya, punching in the air. Yeah. Oh, another side. Op. Op, op. Defense. Punch. Yan, mga op. Sige na. Pakitain na sa sipa, be. Okay, Super Science. Goku. Okay, we're doing stretching. Stretching muna. Jumping jack. Op, op. This is it. Op, op. Pinalo yung hangin. Op, sinumbag. Op, op. Punch. Punch it. Op. Uppercut. Uppercut muna. Oh. Op, op. Op. Perte. Perte. Ala. Balbal. Bala may gising buli. Ala, balbal. Ala. That was a fine punch in the air. Kapatid. Opo, okay, bow. Salamat. Take a bow. Hudugin ka po yung ako. Sige man, no? Kaya mo na. What I learned from today's event is that no matter how detailed ang iyong plano sa kabuhi, there will always, unplanned things na very priceless na makikita mo only in the streets. Like this one. Hindi mo naman pinaplano na makita, di ba? Pero, jackpot. Gem na gem si Manong. Up. Kumukuha ng hininga si Manong, okay? Breathing exercise. Breathing. We can do this, guys. Op, ito na. Op. Kick on the air. Isa pa. Op. Oh, side kick. Op, roundhouse. Op. Patay yung kalaban. Oh, sige. Oh. Atas sa bante. Op. Okay. Isa pa. Yeah. Op. Yeah. Oh, ano ka? Ano ka ngayon, Pacquiao? Wala ka ng ano. Kaya wala. Inoue. Wala ka Inoue. Isang tindak ka lang. Op. Isa. Bang. Tindak ka. Tindak. From op. Di po. Tagid. Nasa pool yung dark entity. Natulog. Okay. Pahuway si Manong. Water break ka na eh. Water break. Doging kapoy gini. Alright. Nice one, Manong. I love your performance. Okay. Okay, ab crunches. Let's do it. Mga 40 sets. 20 reps. Good for 1 hour. Okay. So mga taong mahilig sa martial arts, just go to Toledo City and you will find this man in front of McDo around 4 to 5 p.m. And libre po. Take note. Libre po yung session. Kung gusto nyo maging martial artist. Street Fighter Edition. Version 1.1. Native. Yun na. Preparasyon. Kick on the air. Isa pa side kick. Jump on the air. Paak. Nasa cam yung entity. Spinning kick. Grabe. Spin. Isa pa. Spinning kick. Tagid. Patay ang taong yun. Isa pa. Tatlong spinning kick ang binigay ni Manong, pero hindi naman ang kalaban. Okay, kuaboy lunong Kaya ito na. Let's go. Hop, jumping jack. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Kapag ang ating mata, puso ay sumigla. Sabi kay Mano, nakapula na. Ano naman? Hop. O, ayan nga. Good job. Excellent. That was really a good exercise for the heart and for the muscles ng legs at biceps na rin. Sit down. Okay, that's good. And let's wait for the magic to happen.